Today I'm going to talk about
This is what the United States of America looks like on the map. The United States of America is also known as
United States, America, USA.
It is a country that is made up of 50 smaller areas, which are called states. Here is the American flag. The American flag is sometimes called the Stars and Strips. There are 50 stars on the American flag. Each star represents one of the 50 states. The 13 strips represent the first 13 colonies. Washington, D.C. is the capital city of the United States of America. Sir Donald Trump is the President of the United States of America. The United States is the third largest country in the world by total area. The 5 largest cities in the USA by population are
New York 8,804,190, Los Angeles 3,898,747, Chicago 2,746,388, Houston 2,304,580, Phoenix 1,608,139.
famous landmarks in the USA. The Statue of Liberty. Cape Canaveral. Niagara Falls. The White House. The Golden Gate Bridge. Mount Rushmore.